right, welcome back everyone. It's Teamwitherving here. Welcome to another week. We are officially analyzing the month of May. So this is our Forex pre-week forecast, trading the week of May 3rd to the 7th, 2021. So let's go. I'm super excited. I can't believe it that we already knock off 1 month. Basically the month of April is over. So so far the month of April, guys, I analyzed the market with you and we lost only 2 trades doing the analysis live with you. Remember, we do the analysis on Saturday. Today is Saturday, right? So we're doing the pre-week and tomorrow, Sunday, we are gonna be doing our weekly forecast. So make sure you tune in. But so far this past April, we lost only 2 trades. Let's see what May is gonna do. So today we are gonna be analyzing the market with our TWE Sniper entry, which is here. Basically it's like a stair, walking a stair. Market will give you the direction of the trend, letting you know, oh, I'm in a buy position, which is nothing wrong with that. So this is gonna be very neat, guys. So always pay attention what the system is letting you know here. The system is telling us the market is in a buy position, but real time the market it is coming down. So market right now, if you pay attention, this is GBP USD is letting you know here, hey, 1 minute, 5 minute is selling, 30 minute, 1 hour and 4 hours is selling, 15 minute is buying. So if you do come and get this piece of tool, guys, the sniper entry, you're gonna get this dashboard. It's only 97 bucks, but it's there. All right, so let me show you what the market is doing this coming week, guys. This is what I'm seeing here. At this present time, the market is giving us a bearish position. So the market is doing a retracement going against our TWE. So if you don't know how to trade pullback, please do not trade pullback. Pullback can break your neck. Basically, if you don't know how to trade pullback, don't trade pullback, because pullback equals bad business. All right, equal BB. All right, so what I'm seeing here, guys, for this week is the following. I'm seeing the market still have room to drop and retest mid 61 to our 78 Fibonacci line. Basically, it's gonna come to this loss here. Boom, 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 boom. Perfect. Then from there, market is gonna do a small retracement, right, making this sell here stronger. And maybe this coming week of May, we are gonna see a continuation of the sell position, which is this one here. But right now the market is still buy, and then boom, market will drop. Okay, so anyway, we are gonna come back every Wednesday where we're gonna do the before and after. This is the before, because what we do here in our channel, guys, is we don't have no information what is Monday is gonna perform, either Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So we don't know anything yet. That is what it makes us different from all the traders that do analysis on the market. So we love to come in here and you see the difference, the before and after. Then you can judge on Wednesday and say, yes, Irving, the thing was working. But so far, using our sniper entry, we are killing it, right? So if you guys want to grab this one, guys, I made a video yesterday. Yesterday was Friday, right? I made a video yesterday. I don't know if you guys saw that video. In case you haven't seen it, go and check it out. The title is how to get a TWE sniper entry. It's pretty neat, pretty amazing. And one quick disclaimer, guys, that I need to make sure I let everybody know. It is the following, guys, because I want to make sure everybody know it is that I'm not your financial advisor. And the most important thing here is do not invest any money that you cannot afford to lose. This business is very, very risky. You can win and you also can lose. So if you don't know what you're doing, if you ever are in doubt, make sure you don't trade, okay? And I'm not your financial advisor, okay? So I just know the fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze and make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips trading the market. So all right, so let's go ahead and continue, guys. So GBP USD, yes, it's gonna drop, make a reversal and continue back down. All right, the next pair that I have for everyone here is Euro AUD, guys. This is crazy. Euro AUD is still very bullish. Pay attention, guys. This is the benefit of using our multiple time frame with our sniper entry. So what I'm seeing here, guys, our sniper entry is letting us know that we are in a buy position. Look at this one. Buy, 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 right? That's what it's showing us, right? So we're still in a buy position. If you tell me, no, Irving, the market is selling, well, look at that. Buy is still bullish. So right now, the long term, the larger time frame still showing us as a buy position. Here is our multiple time frame green arrow letting us know we still trending where? Are we trending down or we still trending bullish? Of course, we're trending bullish here. So what I'm seeing here is the market still had room this week to go up all the way, meeting the 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. So that's what I'm seeing here. So basically it's gonna come and meet this brothers and sisters here with our magic arrow, our multiple time frame here, right in there. Market is gonna reverse back, right? Boom. And then market will continue as a bullish. Why? Because here is the bullish position. So Euro AUD is still very bullish, guys. Yes, the market is doing minor retracement on the lower time frame, is doing a PV. Like I said, you know, if you don't know how to trade PV, guys, please, everyone, if you have not watched the video that I did yesterday, please go back. This video will help you tremendously to understand how we trade our TWE Sniper entry. Trust me, it will help you a lot. All right, so and check the description of the video, guys. I put another video that I recorded as well. That will help you to me. All right, let's move forward, guys. Let me know if you do have any question, and make sure you guys, everybody, do only one thing only. Make sure you hit the bell notification below, because anyway, it's free. You here with me analyzing the market before and after, so make sure that you never ever miss any video from us, because that, I mean, it's free. The system is not. If you really want to grab money, then I'm sorry, the system is not free. If you want to grab money, you need to pay for it, right? So let's trade with Teamwitherving. All right, so let's move forward and let me show you what is our goal is gonna do this week. I told everyone the goal was still damn bullish, guys. I told you since day one, when gold was hitting very heavy as a bullish position. Look at here, buy. Look at what our TWE Sniper entry told us here. Oh, Urban, we are in a buy, right? Look at that, you seeing it? Look, see it? Look at how simple it is. So right now, I told you guys, market was still bullish, right? So what I'm seeing here, guys, is the following. This is what I'm seeing this coming week. Remember, we are doing the pre-week for May 3rd to the 7th. So what I'm seeing here is market may push back down another 15-20 pip below. So retesting and making this, brothers and sisters, here stronger, right? And then market will continue as a buy, because I don't see any strong signal yet, guys, letting you know, yes, we are gonna be heading as a bearish position. It could be, but maybe not now. So maybe it's gonna be ready on Tuesday, Wednesday, who knows? But right now, market's still in a buy position. Let me know, guys, if you do agree with me, or even if you disagree with me. I would like to hear from you if you have any question, because I mean, comment below. That's the only way we are gonna be communicating here, right? So if you let me know what your question is, I'll give you the answer. All right, fair enough. All right, so that's what I think gold is gonna do. Gold still very bullish, guys. Pay attention. Look at here. Look at what our TWE Sniper entry letting us know. Look at what our multiple time trend told us here, and boom, market still bullish. Market tried to come in as a bearish, but it fell. Now market, remember, who is the boss here? A buy position, right? Look at here, buy, and look what the market is doing. It's buying. Market is not below this saying, okay, I'm in a sell. It's not yet. Yes, it will be in a sell position, but not yet. You can enter in a sell position if you wish. Guess what is gonna happen next week? Boom, your account is gonna go to 0. All right. All right, let's check our next pair. This is Euro NCD. Let's go, guys. Where's my trumpet? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Let's go, guys. This is Teamwitherving. I get very excited coming here. You guys got to bear with me. This is part of me getting excited and giving you the best of the best. So what I'm seeing here, guys, pay close attention. Look at our sniper entry, guys. I'm telling you, if you don't have this tool, oh my God, you're gonna be missing tons of money. Look at this one, guys. This is freaking awesome. Look at that. TWE Sniper entry come in. Look, buy. You never got any indication here saying, Irving, you need to be in a sell for long term. Nope. Look at what happened. Boom, market took off. Look at here, market came in, sniper entry come in. Look, sell. Look what the market's doing. Boom, market drop. Look at here, sell come in again. Look, the stair come in. Boom. Look what happened. Boom, market drop. Oh my goodness, guys, this is freaking awesome. This is awesome. Everyone need to have this tool on your MT4 no matter what. And the good thing is, guys, we do have video. We're gonna show you. You're gonna get the dashboard anyway. Here is our multiple time frame dashboard. You're gonna get this dashboard here. We're gonna explain you how you enter on a lower time frame, in and out, grab some pips and move out. All right, continue with your life. All right, let me go ahead and give you the analysis for Euro NCD. Tomorrow is Sunday, guys. Let me know if you do have any question. Tomorrow we're gonna do our weekly Forex forecast. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you will not miss what's going on tomorrow. All right, so what I'm seeing here, guys, is the Euro NCD is still very bearish. Look at here, multiple time frame pop in, say, hey Irving, I'm in a sell position, right? Then our TWE Sniper entry come in and say, okay Irving, we are confirmed. Now we all are selling. Look at what happened. Sell. Boom, and boom. Look at what the market is doing, guys. I already told you. Look, boom, market is dropping. So this is what I think the market is gonna do this week, guys. Remember, this is not signals, guys. This is for educational purpose. Like I say in many other videos, some people are using my information to sell signals. And it's funny, but you should become a member so you can get full service of your signals. But hey, you can do whatever you want, right? So what the market is doing at this present time, guys, market is still doing a PV going against our TWE Sniper entry. So the PV is still very accurate. Look at that, market still very what? Still a bullish position. So yesterday Friday, the market tried to close as a bearish, but it failed. So that it didn't close. So what I can see is this coming week, the market is still gonna be pushing up, retesting our 50 Fibonacci line, which is gonna retest all this area here. Very good area to retest it. From there, market, what do you think the market is gonna do? Boom, market will drop down because these guys are selling. Look at this one, it tell you there it's selling. So market has to sell back down. And then what? Then we're gonna come back on Wednesday where we're gonna see what we are seeing right now, before and after. Because look, we don't have no data here, guys. There's no data. This is what everybody should be teaching you, guys. When you attend to any class, they should be teaching you only reality. You should ask questions. Hey, what do you think about market is gonna do in the next week? What is your analysis? Like that. Let them give you reality. Don't allow anyone to teach you back data. Back data is never gonna pay nobody's bill. Nobody's bill is gonna get paid by using back data. Only what is now reality. Reality is all that matters here, okay? So, any question, guys? This is very nice, to be honest. This week here, the month of May, guys, it is gonna be on fire. Very beautifully. Just make sure there will be a lot of brand new master trend, guys, this coming month. So let me know in the comment below if you guys have any question. And also one thing, guys, I don't know if you guys want to take a look at the comment below. We have our website in there as well. If you want to join, it's fine. If not, make sure you only do the following: like, comment, share, and subscribe. And somebody else gonna get those hundreds and hundreds of dollars for you. All right, so, and also please watch the video that I did yesterday Friday which is titled How to Get TWE Sniper Entry. That is gonna blow your mind. And what video are we doing today, guys? Today it is Saturday. Today we are doing our Forex pre-week forecast for the week of May 3rd to the 7th. And here in the bottom is our website, TWEForexSystem.com. So welcome to our TWE channel, guys. Thank you so much for coming in. And I'm very humble for all the support that you guys give it to us. And remember, stay humble, respect your family, your loved ones, and every life matters. Let's go. God bless you, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States. Take care, guys. Hasta la vista. All right, buddy. All right, guys, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. Stay safe, stay humble. Never let success take you to another level. Stay humble. That's all that matters. All right, God bless you guys, and remember, you are trading Teamwitherving. Let's go.